In this demonstration, we're going to look at how we can create a secure connection to a partner organization to send email and also receive email from that organization. We call that domain security. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to come into our Exchange Admin Center. Then our Exchange Admin Center, we're going to come down to Mail Flow. Within Mail Flow, what we want to do here now is we just want to create a send connector. Right, so this send connector is going to allow me to send secure email to a company called Contoso.com. So what we'll do, we'll click on the plus. And then what we need to do is just fill all of this out. Right, so we're going to go for Contoso.com, and it's a partner organization, so we'll now select next. Now what we need to do is just fill out this table as well. And all we're going to do is stick with the defaults. We'll use MX record associate with recipient domain, so we'll select next again. Now what we're going to do here is we're coming into our address space connector. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll just select add. And then on add, what we need to do is we just need to fill out our fully qualified domain name to be Contoso.com. And once we fill out the fully qualified domain name, we'll just select save. Right, that's now created our connector. And we'll select next. Then all we need to do here is we just specify the source server. In my case, I'm just going to use lon mbx1. So we'll select that, select add, select OK, and then select finish. Right, and what we should get is we should get our new send connector popped up in the list. So now what we'll do is we'll just modify this slightly. So we'll just click on our edit button. And what I want to do is I want to proxy through the client access server. So when I select this option and we've enabled it, it means that any outbound email that is being sent via send connector will not go directly out from the mailbox server, but instead it'll be proxied through our client access server in this site. So we'll turn this on here and we'll just save that off. So that will allow us to send mail. The next thing we need to do is be able to receive mail. So I'll just come to my receive connectors. And what we'll do here on the receive connector, I'm going to actually receive it through my Longcast server. And what I need to do here is just create a new receive connector. So we'll just select plus. And we'll fill out the table. So again, Contoso.com. This is the server, Longcast1. And what we'll do here is we're doing this for a partner organization. So we'll select next. Next thing we need to do here is we just need to set in or set up some network settings. So in the case of the network adapter bindings, I've only got one network adapter sitting in this server, so I'm fairly happy with this. So we'll just select next. Now what we need to do here is we just need to add in some IP address settings. So what we'll do here is we'll just select our plus button, and what we need to do here is just specify the IP address for receiving mail on. And I'm going to do that on 172.16.1.101, so we'll just save that off. And what we'll do is we'll just remove the everything address. Now that we've done all of this, next thing to do here is just select finish. Last thing to do is just set up our transport config. So to do that, we need to go into our Exchange Management shell. Right, so here we are. So we'll just clear the screen off here, and we'll just issue the command to set our transport config and to use our transport layer or transport layer security. So what we'll do here is we'll set the transport config for our transport layer security, send domain secure list here, and we want this for a datum.com, so we're the sender. And then the next thing we need to do is set up our TLS receive domain secure list. So we'll just clear this off again. So we'll see the command set transport config TLS receive domain secure list, and this is for Contoso.com. So we'll hit enter at this point here. So what we've done internally within our organization is we have secured email to Contoso.com. Next thing that will happen here is we'll need to speak to Contoso and get them to do exactly the same steps. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.